It's never too late to make a difference.
Hello, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Nama Motor Vlogs. This is Tawfiq here, back with another video. So today I am heading towards Jayanagar as one of my college, the previous college where I used to study, where I did my PUC. One friend from there has called me as one of his cousin wants to meet me. So as today is a Sunday and I didn't go anywhere for a ride, thought of going to Jayanagar and meeting that guy. So now I'm in Malia Road. This is Malia Road, and on my right hand side is the Kantirva Stadium of Bangalore. I'll be taking double road to go to Jayanagar. Today it seems to be so empty, like being a Sunday I was expecting it to be full crowded, but it's empty. Thank God it's empty, because some of you all from Bangalore will be knowing the traffic conditions, like how hectic it becomes when there is traffic jams and all. So I was expecting that today. This road is changed, man. Like there were no so many humps before, but it's good that they have put humps for the safety of us and others, so no one can obviously speed up in these roads. Today I would like to give you all a message about safety, because last year there were more than 2000 accident cases where motorcyclists have lost their lives, and the most shocking news is that all of the 2000 and 2000 plus accident where the motorcyclists lost their lives were in city. It was not on the highway or something, it was within the city, and people have lost their lives because they were not wearing helmet. It's very sad to tell that people are not wearing helmet. They believe in themselves. It's a good thing. Believing in yourself is a very good thing, that you will never crash. But you never know. There are so many unpredictable things which is there in the roads. Like a dog can run in between. A fool can cross the road without seeing left and right. Anything can happen. Like people here in India mostly don't use the zebra crossing and don't even know about it. Then I would just like to tell that please guys, at least if you cannot afford or want to wear like safety gears like the riding boots, jacket and the gloves, you can at least wear a helmet. If you don't care about yourself, at least care about the people who's waiting down there for you to return and see you alive. See, like fools like this are filled in the city. If he had to take a U-turn, he should have been standing on the right hand side. He came from the left, that too in front of the car. And if you are in speed, obviously you're gonna crash. So I used to squid before, but there is a time when every people change. So I changed myself, because I had met with accidents because of overspeeding in city. And I got to know the responsibility, like if you hit a person on road, an innocent person can die because of you, and that's what the whole point is. So don't overspeed in the city. If you are so crazy about speeds and all, you can better go to the highway and max your RPM. That will be a good thing. So please guys, do wear a helmet, if not for your own, at least for the ones who care for you. That's all I would like to say. If you have enough of brain and if you love someone, you'll obviously do that, because you don't want your loved ones to be sad just because of you. So please guys. Oh wow, that was a Z1000.
Thanks for meeting. Bye, take care. See you in the next meeting.
Please message me on Instagram so that I can tag you guys.
Sure.
Won't be remembering the names. So I finished meeting those guys. I actually thought there is only one guy, but there were 4 friends of my friend who wanted to meet me. Big shout out to you guys, man. If you're watching this video, big shout out to you guys. I don't remember your names, sorry for that, but it was very nice meeting you guys, bro, and hope we'll meet again. So now I'm heading back towards home. I'm in Jayanagar. Whenever I come to Jayanagar, it feels very good. There are so many trees and greenery in this place, which is been decreasing day by day in Bangalore city. But Jayanagar is like how it was before, and it's very pleasing to come to this place and just admire the beauty of nature.